राज्यपालांचा शपथविधी झाल्यानंतर पत्रकारांशी बोलताना मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर यांनी सांगितले की एलिना माथानी साल्डाना यांचा मंत्री म्हणून मंगळवारी शपथविधी होईल।
जाका कोणाक विचारपाचें ताका विचारा। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया प्रोवाइड्स एनी आम्ही आयतारा करता त्या मंगळारा करता एनी इंडक्शन ऑफ एनी मिनिस्टर्स। सो आय थिंक ही इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। यू हैव टू आस्क क्वेश्चन टू योर सर वेदर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया इज सुप्रीम और अ कोड इज सुप्रीम।
But it doesn't amount to influencing voters. You are telling that I am giving you this minister.
I can tell that by तुम्ही influencing of voter म्हणजे माझ्या assurances आम्ही दिता पळय manifesto. What is that? You have to influence voter by your assurances. You cannot have undue advantage. Can opposition induct a cabinet minister? The issue is over. Legally तांचे position हा ते तांचे हा। Legally म्हाका जे provision दिला पळय under article 163 164 I will any minister is induced in a cabinet on advice of the chief minister to the governor. Read article 163 164 तातून बरयला provided that there is no election code is in force बी म्हणून। मागीर constitution जी म्हाका power दिता ती how can I surrender it to some code which even is not a legal document? In fact, you can ask Election Commission on this. They will be more clear to you.
This 4 Panchayat?
To be very honest, I have not got involved in the selection of candidates for the Panchayat election, simply because I believe that every person in the constituency is a BJP supporter and a supporter of Mathani. And so all people are our people. So we have left it to the people to come to a consensus in the various wards and select the candidate. And all those who win will be our candidates.
पेडण्यातल्या क्रीडा नगरीत बेकायदेशीर खाण व्यवसायात गुंतलेल्यांवर कडक कारवाई करण्याचा इशाराही मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी यावेळी दिला।
करूना लोकांक गाडयो सोसिये करूना इम्पाउंड करूना 11 टिपर हे केल्या एक डोजर केला मागीर आनी कितें आसतलें जे प्रोटेक्शन ओनली वन अरेस्ट हैज बीन मेड ओनली वन अरेस्ट सी इफ एनीवन डज दैट अगेन थर्ड टाइम the person will face much more bigger music. See, first time in Sport City illegal we have arrested twice. The third occasion will be much more serious because you have to give people some opportunity of coming out of habits. This first time there were arrests, they were let off with a lesser punishment because it had become a practice. And I warn everyone, government property ki loot, illegality of mining is a different issue. This is government property loot, will not be tolerated.
Regional planaचे action ठरयली ती
हय फुडल्या आठवड्यान करता।
You will talk to people on group?
No, पयलीं हांव कितें करता म्हाका दिसता काही लोक शिता फुडें मीठ खातात।
ATF
they are placing the cart before the horse. What I am reading, they should at least wait for my notification. I want to make it very clear. I said all restrictive clauses such as environment sensitive zone equals sensitive. Now when restrictive clause हांवें म्हणलो पळय तातूंत भितर restrictive clause FIR सुद्दां आयलो will be deployed on 201. So 201, if there is something 221 says no, that will not be permitted. So only what is permitted in common between 2021 and 2001. म्हाका मॅथ्स म्हजी बरी आसता म्हणजे कॉमन सबसेट म्हाका बरो कळटा, बाकी लोकांक कळना आसत, म्हाका कळटा वॉट इज एप्रूव्ड बाय बोथ वील बी एक्सेप्टेड फॉर न्यू हे कळ्ळें तुका सिंपल कळ्ळें तुका न्ही। आय होप एवरी वन बिकॉज देर आय हियर मेनी अननेसेसरी कन्फ्युजन्स बीन क्रिएटेड देर सम अटेम्प्ट्स ऑफ क्रिएटिंग कन्फ्युजन सेम थिंग हॅपन विथ मिडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन समन रिपोर्टेड पांचवेचो विशयूच ना गोयची पांचवीचो विशय सेटल्ड आहा नॉट टुडे when I was in opposition also I have made it very clear 5th standard issue is settled वी आर डोंट वॉन्ट टू इवन टच इट. जे पळय केल्लो पळय नोट जो एज्युकेशन तुमच्या डिपार्टमेंटान दॅट वॉज फॉर करिकुलम. देर इज अ डिफरन्स बिटवीन मिडियम एंड सब्जेक्ट मॅटर. Subject matter is a different issue, right? Altogether.
So MOI will be stick to first to
पाचवी आहे ना.
MOI issue always is first to fourth, because some newspaper said that fifth. There is no doubt, and MOI said till I come to conclusion. There is no statement in between. So तोपर्यंत शाळा जर तूं खंयची तिका ग्रांट मेळटा ती खंयच्या मिडियमान आसा तें सुद्दां हांव उलयना. स्टेटस को म्हणपाचो इतलोच हेतू की आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू differentiate any school till then. म्हणजे आफ्टर न्यू पॉलिसी कम्स इट विल गो बाय द पॉलिसी. तोपर्यंत हांव डिस्टर्ब करना तें. कोणाचे पगार अडकूंक मेळना, कोणें कितें चूक केल्या कोणें बरोबर केला तें सगळें मागीर पळोवया आफ्टर वी कम विथ द न्यू पॉलिसी.